Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is we are going to be discussing the eBay SB Dunk Low coming up very soon. The sneakers release and along with several other dates have been confirmed. The sneakers live was yesterday, so I checked in on that. Came here, wanted to make this video today, and I was hoping it'd be loaded up on sneakers. I don't think it is yet for this video, but that's okay. We can still discuss it, discuss pre-drop prices, all that stuff. So if you want more content like this, feel free to check my Instagrams, any of that basic stuff down below if you're interested. Or feel free again to go check out Hype Labs, who can help you out cop more pairs manually, just like these ones right here. You can see we help people hit a lot of my Air 4s, and recently we've been helping people get pairs under retail on Hibbit. So if you're interested in that, daily under market deals that I do, stuff like that, giveaways, having botters cop items for you, just having a general community so you can improve your resale game, stuff like that. Join the group. I promise you won't regret it. Everything we offer is right there. It's in the description. And don't forget, the waitlist is free to join. You'll only be charged if we let you in. But that's it. If you want a helpful group, again, it's all down below. See everything we offer on the site. It's a good opportunity. You can say what's up to me once you're in there, but that's all I gotta say. Hope y'all enjoy it, and let us get started. So, looking at the eBay SB Dunk Low right here, of course, I've given my thoughts in these multiple times. I think it's a very unique and cool Dunk Low. I like the whole idea of it and everything that is behind it, but you can see the skate shops will be releasing this one on December 15th, and then sneakers is going to be coming on December 17th, so 2 days after that. Now, for the skate shops that you could check that would potentially have these, I would just call the ones in your local area and be like, hey, would you guys potentially be getting this sneaker? I'm interested, big collector here. You could just say something like that, or just follow their Instagram, stay tuned. Those are really the best ways to, kind of be knowing if your local skate shop will get it. Also, you can just go check right here on NikeSB.com/shops, and you can look up where you are and see if any shops are near you that would potentially be getting a release like this. I mean, any Nike skate shop like this will probably be getting the release, so you can just look it up, and if you have a skate shop near you, then hey, be following their Instagram and stay tuned if they post anything. That's what I would say. And if your recent skate shop has been getting in heat, they probably will get in the eBay SB. That's just what I want to say. But that's not the only place they're dropping. Don't forget sneakers on the 17th. That's also going to be something else, and it looks like these do come with a special box. Maybe I could be wrong, could just be confused here, but maybe these come with a special box, and this may be the box right here. I'm not sure. Sorry if I'm incorrect right here, but overall, I love the design of the sneaker. Again, with Sandy Bodecker, he's holding, I can't remember, it was the guy in the sneakers live yesterday. He was holding, whoever that guy is, I'm sorry. He was holding his kid in the photo, and the guy that was on the sneakers live that they were talking to, he took the photo of Sandy Bodecker that is actually on the inside, on the insole right here. So that was a pretty cool sneakers live. I like the details of it. Again, it just shows like the cut up shoe. Basically, the whole concept behind this sneaker, if you've seen this photo before, it is just basically the shoe cut up into 3 pieces, but not having this like see-through thing here that I guess holds it together. It was literally just cut through in 3 portions, and that's how the photo came to be. That's the actual eBay SB that Sandy Bodecker has. Obviously rest up, his like foundation has it, so that's where the only original eBay SB is. And the idea behind the sneaker is that Sandy will have the only original eBay SB, but collectors and anybody like that can go and get the other version that's kind of made after it, the retro. But the only OG one is with the original creator. And you can see why these are called the Sandy Bodecker lows, because if you actually go on StockX, that's what they're called. They're not called the eBay SBs. They're called the Nike SB Dunkless Sandy Bodecker, which I think is a proper name for them. Here's the insole. Again, I wanted to show you all these details so you can see, again, this is him holding that guy's kid, and the guy that whose kid it is the guy who took the photo of the sneaker and this one right here. So that's where those photos came from. And overall, I like the idea of having some unique insoles. I think that's a cool little small detail, because not everybody pays attention to insoles, but it's one of those things where on the sneaker it's kind of more noticeable, especially since it's see-through. Some people will actually kind of see the sole, if that makes sense. But I mean, yeah, I'm a fan of these. I like that Nike kind of has this remake coming up. I'm glad that it's soon also dropping it in December. What a great time to have it. I mean, they're dropping it on the 17th. Probably takes about a week to ship stuff, so most people like get these around Christmas time, which is pretty fire. So I think Nike did a great time with kind of planning this drop out, and hopefully my local skate shops will get these, because I really want a pair of these. It has like that OG SB logo on the back. You see it's this logo right here. It doesn't have like Nike SB. It just says SB like this. It doesn't say this underneath it on the back heel, but it's again just this kind of like top part right here. But it has the hashtag Nike SB Forever right here on the tongue also. So a lot of small details that make this shoe. The overall colorway and theme of it, you can clearly tell that's based off eBay's original colors. I mean, just go look at the eBay logo. These are the colors of it. But yeah, these are gonna have some hefty resale. There's zero doubt about that. And again, feel free to join Hype Labs. We're going to cook up some pairs of these. I'm going to cook up a few for sure. Excuse me, a few for sure. I mean, that's another reason why a group could help you out, is just kind of showing you the basics of, you know, resale, stuff like that, how to get more pairs, how to flip them. And again, let's just go look at the market here. Seems like my screen recording almost froze there. Yeah, for a second, but you guys can see right now between kind of $570 or like $560 to like $700, and some of the bigger sizes are going for a little bit more. You can see that just kind of how it is. The sizes are a little bit all over the place, but these are just a very expensive shoe. I mean, that's just how it is. It's not going to be easy to get these. I can only assume that stock won't be super high, so they probably will stay higher in price. Also, a lot of demand behind these, and also just for my general collectors and people that are interested in sneakers, this is one of those like grail type shoes. So, you know, this has some demand behind it for that reason alone. But yeah, years down the line, these will go for a ton of money. I'm 100% sure of that. I mean, there's been a lot of sneakers like this year that have been just really iconic and really good. Ones we know that will be going for bags down the line. So that's why I've just really appreciated this year in sneakers, and you know what we've had from a drop standpoint, is because it's been a lot of good stuff, and I'm very happy about that. I love seeing good releases. I love seeing good drops. That's one of the things about being a sneakerhead, is you like seeing these good shoes that come out to kind of give people you know, stuff to add to their collection, things like that. And it's just a very wearable colorway. I think this is just such a crazy dunk low from this year. At least it's one of the craziest. So that's the whole idea behind it. And don't forget, skate shops on the 15th. Check your local ones. Call them. NikeSB.com/shops. Just go check. Make sure you put in that effort and see if there's any around you. That is very important. And overall, this is what I meant, by the way, by that kind of unique back heel design. You can see the old SB logo. I like that theme. Again, I think it's really cool that they just added that small feature. It's not a big one, but it's a cool feature. So yeah, don't forget, skate shops on the 15th, sneakers on the 17th. Be ready for sneakers, multiple accounts. The method, again, I discussed that in the video yesterday. If y'all want to go check that out, I discussed like some multiple account stuff there. So if you're interested in that, feel free. But that video I'm not going to link below, but it's in the description of yesterday's video. But that's pretty much everything that needs to be mentioned right there about the upcoming eBay SB Dunk Low. Don't forget, join Hype Labs. We can help you out with cooking pairs of these. We will post all raffles for this sneaker, so don't forget, if you want to learn how to get, learn how to get more raffles, more sneakers, stuff like that. I mean, that's what we do, and we'll post all raffles for these. We'll give you some tips, stuff like that. We can show you how to bot. We've been really showing people a lot of basics lately. So that's really everything I need to say. Join Hype Labs on the wait list. Let me know what you guys think about the eBay SB Dunk Low. I'm a big fan of the design on the sneaker, the uniqueness of it. I think it kind of helps it stand out. And yeah, again, Instagrams, all that down below. You guys can go see our success. But yeah, check the IGs. Any of that you want to go give me a follow, join Hype Labs, see everything we offer there. And that's everything I'll mention. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. My computer's having some lag issues and stuff like that right now, but I have an exam I got to check out with, not check out for, but 2 exams to do today, so I got to get those done. I wish your boy some luck. I'll catch you on the video tomorrow, though. Peace.